Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're ready to dive into machine learning and data science, Scikit-Learn is the absolute must-have Python library. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to install and set it up perfectly inside Visual Studio Code. Let's get right to it. First, you need to have Visual Studio Code open to your project folder. We are going to do all the installation right inside the integrated terminal. You can open that up by going to the top menu, clicking Terminal, and selecting New Terminal, or by just pressing Ctrl and the back tick key on your keyboard. Now, before we install anything, it's always a best practice in Python to use a virtual environment. This keeps your machine learning packages isolated from the rest of your computer. In your terminal, type Python -m venv venv and hit enter. To activate it on Windows, type venv /scripts with a capital S /activate. If you're on a Mac, type source venv /bin /activate. You'll know it worked when you see venv in parentheses on your terminal command line. With your environment active, installing the library is super easy. Just type pip install scikit-learn and hit enter. Visual Studio Code will reach out and download the package, along with a few other necessary tools like NumPy and SciPy that Scikit-Learn actually needs to run. Once the download finishes, let's verify that everything is working perfectly. Create a brand new Python file in VS Code and name it test.py. Inside that file, type import sklearn on the first line, and on the second line, type print parentheses sklearn dot __ version __. Hit the play button in the top right corner, and if your terminal prints out a version number without any red errors, your installation is completely perfect. And that's it. You're officially ready to start building your own machine learning models. If this quick setup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of data you are going to be analyzing first, and I will see you in the next one.